Hey guys, welcome to my channel and to today's video. So today I'm here to show you this. This is a mini cosmetics product kit. Kind of like a travel kit that when you're traveling, you can take along with you. And after getting these, I was deciding what products to put in this cosmetics pack. So I decided to film it. So let's see what products I'm gonna be putting in this cosmetics travel kit. But before that, we're gonna see what is inside. Okay, so this is how the pack is. Cute, right? Yeah, and it comes in these four products containers, and then these three mini, I hope you can see it, three mini, 1 2 3 mini containers, and then this the bigger ones. It also has I don't know what these ones are for. I think to mix, right? And this probably for oil or something. Anyway, so this is also included. And then there's also something like this. I don't know if you can see the writings on it, but it's just to, I think, differentiate whatever that you put on each of them. So there's a facial cleanser, hair wax, shampoo, night cream, moisturizer, hair conditioner, day cream. So whatever that you put here is just a suggestion of what you can put in this. So personally, I'm just deciding on what to put in this, and these are cute containers that you can carry along when you're going for a program or you're visiting family, and you can carry your big hair products like your shampoo, your conditioners. You can't carry them along. You can just put them in these and then take them along. So for me, let's just see, we have these three containers here, and so personally, I like to use water a lot in my hair, so this will go for just water. This will go for just water. And then this is like a pump, right? Like a pump that you pump it. This could be for a shampoo, of course. And then this would be for a, I don't know what to put into this, but it looks cute for a gel, you know. And not any other gel. I'll show you the products I'm going to be putting in this, and then we are going to put it in and see how it looks like or it feels like. Now with these three containers, I really don't know what to put into it, but looking at what it is or how it looks like, this will be good for a cutie gel. Cutie gel. Maybe this will also be for a face scrub or something. And then this will be for, I don't know. So like I said, I'm going to put water in this. Okay, so let's just put some water in this. I'm transferring the water from my spray bottle, okay, into this. Okay. So this is just water. I prefer to use just water. I don't want to mix it with any other thing. And then water is life. So this is the first. Now this and this, which will be great for a shampoo. This, okay, this. So because it has the pump, or maybe I should use this. I'm really confused right now. What do you guys think? I think they should go for the shampoo rather. Okay. And the shampoo I am going to be using, I mean, you could use this, but I want to put my gel in this pump, which is why I'm using the shampoo in this. This is a shampoo, and this is a shampoo that I did myself. I like it because it has the components of a shampoo and a conditioner. So it's two in one kind of, and it is very, very creamy, it has the tangling properties as well. And I like it because I made it myself, and so I was able to determine the amount of surfactants I want to use, and then the amount of conditioning agents I want to use in this. So I just hope it forms well. Well, it does. So this is my shampoo. Okay, this has my shampoo, and this has my water. So this is going to feature a gel, and currently I use a lot of botanical gels, plant-based gels. So those kind of gels are quite runny, and so they fit this. So the gel I'm going to be using is this one. Miele Organics Pomegranate and Honeysculpting Custard. Okay, like I said, it is really, really runny, plant-based. I really hope I'm able to dispense the product if I pour it in this. So to transfer it in this, just gonna be having my funnel. Okay, so we're gonna pour the gel. Okay, see, I hope I'm not making a mistake here. Okay, so this is what we have of the gel. So I'm gonna put this in it. Okay, and then we're gonna pump it and see. Okay, so it's working. So this is good. So these are my three products: my shampoo, my gel, and then my water. So the next thing I'm gonna be doing is just putting. So I'm gonna be using these two containers, and this I plan on putting my scrub, my face scrub. This is the face scrub that I use. This is the face scrub that I use. So I'm gonna put in my face scrub in this. Okay. Okay. This is my face scrub. Here we go. Now for this, I'm going to be putting a gel with hold in this, just to add a little bit more hold to the style that I'll be doing. On the hair. And the gel I plan on using or adding is this gel. This is the Got to Be gel, the invisible. I'll put a little bit of this invisible gel. It's just transparent gel. I have my gel in here. Okay. We have the scrub, we have the gel. For this, I really don't know what I'm going to put in this for now. I mean, this is what I have in mind for now. What else do you think I can put in this little, what else do you think I can put in this little thing? Let me know in the comment section. Maybe I'm skipping something. And I really like more of hair stuffs and also more of facial stuff. So anything else that you can suggest that I add to it. So the next one I'm going to be adding is this. So I got these two little cuties. They're actually not part of the pack, but these are for foaming mousses. So if you have any hair mousse that you want to use, or even any facial mousse, yeah, that you want to use, you could actually use this. So I'm going to be using this smaller container. The smaller container, and the mousse I'm going to be adding here is the Aunt Jackie's First Patrol mousse. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is to just open it up. Open up my mousse and then pour a little of this mousse here. Okay, so this is what we have. I can't really waste products like this. Okay, so this is what we have of the mousse. Let's try to dispense it and see. Okay, so this is it. Ooh. We have our foaming rose ready. So this is actually what we have here of my product. I'm gonna put them back into the container so that we see. Okay, this is our container. I want to see if this one will fit as well, even though it's not part of it, right? Okay. So we tried to fix it, and this is finally what we have here. Okay, this mousse is gonna block our view. Mousse product. Ta-da! So here we are. This is our gel, botanical gel. This is our shampoo, hydrating, conditioning shampoo. This is water. This is just water. This is our foaming mousse here. We also have here our gel with hold, and then our face scrub, right? Face scrub. So this can easily enter into any backpack or any bag that you have, and you can carry it around anywhere you go. This is so beautiful, simple to use, and if you find it anywhere in a shop and you're just thinking of what to put in it, this is what I have put in mine. They are mostly hair products. You can put any other cosmetic products in it, and yeah, so I'm gonna be putting the stickers on it. I'll just take the ones that relate to what I have here and then put them on it just to tell, I mean, for someone who doesn't know, to tell what is in here. So that is about it. This is what is in my travel kit. And whenever I'm going anywhere and I feel like I might do something to my hair, this will come in handy. Thank you so much. And if you have this, let me just know what is also in your cosmetics travel kits. And just yeah, that's about it. Thank you so much, and I'll See you same time next week. Until then, as always, do stay blessed.